Hey viewers, welcome back to Shree's Coding Hub. In today's episode, we are going to do matrix multiplication. In the last episode, we have did matrix addition. In the last episode, I promised I'll share you the problematic solving code of matrix addition and multiplication. In the last episode, matrix addition part is completed, and at the last, I mentioned that you people please try how to crack this logic of matrix multiplication. If anyone did and cracked the logic, comment in the comment box. Yeah, I cracked the code and I got the output. You can comment in the comment box, guys. And now let's see how to do matrix multiplication. Here in the code I have written something like this scanning part obviously you know, but from here the complexity starts. Here I used another multi array which stores the multiplied array, and here I printed that array. This part you can do, but this is the main logic. Here you should understand what is happening. Here what happens, uh, now here assume that this is X array with elements 1 2 3 4, and Y array with also elements 1 2 3 4. Now uh, this is this is 0th block, and this is 1, and in the same way uh, this is 0th block, and this is 0th row, and this is 1th row. Okay, it's fine. Here basically how the matrix multiplication will work. Here it should do 1 in here, this should be multiplied by this, and this should be multiplied by this, and both these sums should be added. Here I'll write a line. Here what should be the multiplication is uh, something like this: 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3, and in the very parallel line 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. This is what it should be, and again close. In the below line it should be uh, what it should be: 3 into 2, 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus again same 4 into 3, 4 into 3, and next 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. This is what it should be. Now this is how matrix multiplication works in mathematics. This is what matrix multiplication is in our mathematics. If you are confused with this, definitely you should know mathematics little bit, not much, little bit of matrix multiplication. You should able to get idea. This is how we do. Here we take this element and multiply with this element, and we take this element and multiply with this element, and we add both the products of this. And again in the beside element what we should get, we multiply this element with this element, and again this element with this element, and we add both the products. Here you can see. And in the very next element we should get, this element should be multiplied with this, and this element should multiplied with this, and both the products are added here. This is what matrix multiplication is. And again in here this element is multiplied with this, and this element is multiplied with this, and both the products are added. Here you can see. This is what actual matrix multiplication is. Now we built a logic to sort out and to happen in this manner. Here you can see, for the first time all are 0. Now for the first time I equals to 0, comma j equals to 0, comma k equals to 0, and we initialized sum is also equals to 0. And now what happens here? For this what happens here, we get 0 equals to 0 plus, now what is x of ij? Now here I is 0 and j is also 0. I is 0 and j is also 0. Obviously x of 0 0 plus y of 0 0. This is what it will be. Now what are the values? Here x of 0 0 means this block, obviously this block. So 1, sorry, here it is into, guys, here it is into x of 0 0 1 into what is y of 0 0 block? 1 1. Obviously the result will be 1. Now this is copied into sum, this is copied into sum. Now what is the sum? The sum is 1, the sum is 1 now. Okay, I hope you guys got the point. Now again let's see, here k value gets increment. Now for the first time k value was 0, now k value will be 1, k value will be now 1. Now what happens? Sum is what? 1 equal to 1 plus what it is doing? Sum plus x of ik plus y of kj. Now what would be the values? Obviously the values will be 1 equals to 1 plus what is I now? What is I now? 0, and k is 1 now, and again k is 1 and j is 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now what is 0 1 block? Here this is 0th row and one's column, it is 2 2. Now what happens? 2 into, now what is there in y of 1 0? Here this is the 1st row and 0th column. Now this element 3. Now what happens? 2 into 3. This is what happens. Now what would be the result? Sum equals to 1 plus 2, sorry, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now sum became 7, sum became 7. Yes or no? Sum became 7. Completed this calculation part completed. Okay, fine. Now here again k value gets incremented to 2. Now here it checks the condition, k is less than 2, condition fails and it comes out of the loop. Now it stores at the place of ij in the multiplication array sum. Sum is stored at mult of ij. Now what is I and what is j? Now here you can see I is 0 and j is also 0, but k became 2 now. Okay, and sum is 7, sum is 7. So I is 0, j is 0, so the place is this, the place is this. Here what we get? Here we get 7, here we get 7 now. Okay, here we got 7 successfully. Now in the very next attempt, what happens? Now j became 1, here it goes, j became 1, and again sum is, j became 1, and again sum is 0, sum is 0. Now k also became 0, k is also initialized with 0, fine. Now what happens? What is sum? Sum is 0, so 0 equals to 0 plus what is x of what is I value till 0 and what is k value? 0 plus what is into y of what is k value now? 0, and what is j value? 1. You can see the j value is 1 here. Now what are the values we got? We will get the values something like this. 0 equals to 0 plus x of 0 0, what is the block? 1 into what is the y of 0 1 block? Now what is y of 0 1 block? Y of 0 1, 0 is this, 1 is this, so the block has the element 2, so here the number is 2, here the number is 2. So what will be the result? The result will be 0 1 into 2 2, 2 plus 0 2. Now the sum gets the value 2, the sum gets the value 2. Okay, fine, this calculation is completed. Now k value gets increment, k value gets increment. Now what will be the k value now? Here after this completion it goes here and increments the k value with 1, increments the k value with 1. Now what would be the, now sum is 2, 2 equals to 2 plus, now 2 plus, uh, what is x of I value? 0 still. What is k value? 1. Now what is y of k value? 1. And what is j value? 1. Here what will be the result? 2 equals to 2 plus x of 0 1. What is the block at x of 0 1? 2 into what is the number at y of 1 1? Y of 1 1. It is 4. So 4. Now what will be the result? 2 into 4 8. 8 plus 2 10. So now sum becomes 10. Sum becomes 10. This is what happens. Now sum became 10. Now again what happens? X value is k value is incremented by 1. So k value becomes 2. Now here it checks the condition. Again condition fails. Now mult of ij. What is the I value here? 0. What is the j value? 1. So the place is this. The place is this. 0 comma 1. The place is this place. Okay. So it stores some value there. Now what is the sum value? 10. What is the sum value? 10. This is what happened now. Here you can see exactly if you do with this thing equals to. For the first one, 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. We got 7 exactly in the first place. And for the second one, 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 4, 8. We should get 10 there. Obviously we got 10 there. You can see how our output is working. Our code is working exactly. Here you can check again with remaining two cases also. It will work. It will work. This logic will work in case of 3 into 3 matrix or 4 into 2 matrix or 4 into 5 matrix. Any matrix, it definitely works. This logic is universal for matrix multiplication. In that way we built the logic successfully. Now let's see the output in code. I hope you guys understood the explanation. This is what exactly happens. Understand the concept, guys. Try to make your thinking big and listen the class and understand the concept. It is as simple as it is. Now let's go into the code. Here I'll do compile. 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. Here you can see the output 7 10 15 22. You can see first two elements already we checked 7 10 exactly got. The remaining two you can check, the result will be exact. The result will be exact. Here it is not something like this. It works only for these numbers. It works for any numbers, but I took only 1 2 3 4 because already we checked in the explanation part. Don't think like that. Here I input 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Here you can see the output 2 2 2 2 2 2. Here for remaining numbers also, for any big numbers it works. 625, 643, 899, 755, y of 0 0 value 333, 444, 55, 667. Here you can see the output. It got something like this. This will be exact, guys. Exactly. If you are very much excited to check the output of this thing also, you can do on the paper matrix multiplication and you can check here. The result will be exact. The result will be exact. This is as simple as it is, guys. We cracked the logic, we smashed it, we did it. Now in the further episodes, let's move into double dimension arrays with characters, double dimension arrays with names, like Shree's Coding Hub, or with subscribers, or like the short, like this. We make the double dimension arrays convenient to strings, to store the string. Let's see in the next episode how we can store any names in the double dimension array, and we can do so many problems on that also. This is what for today, guys. That's it for today's episode. So stay tuned for the next episode, and if you like the video and if you feel the video really informative, subscribe to our channel, like the video. If you missed the last episodes, all the episodes are grouped into a playlist. That playlist link is provided in the description. Please go and check out. If you subscribe and like the video, it will be a great motivation to share more informative content like this. And subscribe, guys.